Good evening, everyone. I, Neha Rathi, stand before you on the behalf of Cygnus IT Solutions to present to you a new product, that is EduPlay, which we believe will cater to the educational needs of the society. And after cater to the educational needs of the society, and after I finish what I have to say, I'm sure you will agree with me. I came across a saying that made me ponder. It goes like this: let us never be betrayed into saying that we are done with education for it. It would mean that we have stopped growing. I decided to start with this because it seemed apt for tackling a subject like education. What I am presenting before you is the importance of education and the various benefits it has over the conventional mode of education. There are over the many means of education that has brought about phenomenal changes in the education sector. Some of them are online assessment, service and tutorials, distance learning education, educational games, and e-books and learning management system. Education is a blossoming market and everyone is trying to outrun each other to deliver the education in its digital format to a much wider audience. We at Cygnus have taken this challenge and have given this is a new color that we wish will make a difference. Now, let me now show how what is EduPlay. This is an Android-based application to create a benchmark in the field of education. It is an attempt to draw the crowd to educate themselves and making an enjoyable experience at every step. It is the complete testing and assessing module and provides results after every test. It's a shift for pure gaming zone for more education gaming zone. Okay, see, this is an purely based Android-based educational oriented application that is presented to the user in the form of test and with multiple choice answers. It is more or less like playing a game into gaining the own knowledge rather than accumulating points. We have broken down the application into various versions, into three major versions. First version is the school education. For the school version, we are concentrating only for the school going students, namely from standard 8 to 12th standard of the CBSE and the ICSE syllabus. The second version would be the college going students, just say for the Bachelor of Arts, Science and Commerce. The third version aims at professional or users seeking professional careers, namely competitive exams like MBA, railway examinations, banking and securities, and financial and insurance examinations. So we divide these into three versions. First is the school, second is the college, and the third is the professional education. What's new about the EduPlay? Moving on, we are now looking at that uniqueness that drives EduPlay. It is a learning and assessing tool which enables users to test their intellectual skills and measure his performance. The age group that can be covered by this app is vast, ranging from the age of 13 to the maximum age limit. Now, only that, it also includes a search option that acts as a dictionary or a database for the user's query to gain any type of information. In a nutshell, EduPlay is a complete package of education and entertainment. Another different aspect of the EduPlay, it covers both platform as well as the content, which the most driving factors are any app. So we make maximum use of this notion that 90% of the education product opportunity lies outside connectivity, which we hold at space, providing both authentic content and platform. So the next one is what exactly we are looking at. My colleague Sharmila Mary will give the demo of the application. What we are looking at, the screenshots of the EduPlay start with the startup screen. First screen is the startup screen and the registration page where the user will require to fulfill his or her basic details. Then it moves on to the board selection, either for the CBSE or the ICSE. Once the user select the board selection, then selects the standard, whether 8th standard, 9th standard or the 10th standard, so on. Then move on to the board selection page where the syllabus is selected and depending on what the user selects his class. Once that is done, then the user will select the subject and proceed with the test. A report will be generated at the end of the series with the date, so a user will know how the performance has over the span of days. Now, other products in the market like Quickster, a multiplayer game based on brain puzzle, winner of the mobile app. Second is 101 HR interview questions. Third is aptitude interview questions. Fourth is test your knowledge. So, what we are saying here, it's time to encounter other products that exist in the market. So, these are the products that exist in the market. If you observe closely, these applications either concentrate on brain puzzles or any singular subject. That is where we stand apart. We bring all subjects under one roof, and R is not restricted to only mere brain puzzles or games. It brings study materials and will help users to prepare the real examinations. Third is the market impact. Now, the question of economic viability comes here, is always linked at the back of the head, and is what I am going to discuss about. In the present scenario, education is predicted to be a USD to billion market by in year 2020, and it's evident that it is the most promising market. It's a combination of all the tools available. You can have a look on the presentation. Assessment and test preparation. Assessment is 25% and test preparation are 28%. So it's evident that it's most promising market. A combination of all these tools available in the education and the sales in USD billion is what is depicted. In the year 2020, the growth is staggering. EduPlay fits into the category of test preparation, assessment that constitute 28% and the 25% to the growth percentage in the total. We position our product in the free applications category, and going by the numbers, educational applications of about 239. You can have a look on that. Free apps and the paid apps. It's 239 for the free apps, and the number for the downloads for the paid apps, it's 180. So we have downloaded from the applications about 239 for the free apps have been downloaded from the year 2009 and 11, and in terms of paid applications, educational applications are about 180 that have been downloaded. EduPlay, as stated earlier, will be a free application, and content available for school students would also be free, whereas only the content for the college going students and the professional can charge at a nominal rate. Being a free application, the revenue would be generated only through advertisements, thus keeping it simple. Now, moving completely away from the commercial aspect, what is that EduPlay does for the society? We offer educational at low cost compared to the other amounts spent on tutorials and other preparations materials. It provides an opportunity for those seeking career changes to prepare for competitive exams when they feel like, without imposing conditions and obligation. The community as a whole can gain a lot of knowledge from these applications, because general knowledge as an option will be included in this app. In order to engage all the class of users, we aim to enlighten, follow the users and make the maximum use of this application. So the sustainability, it depends upon the various factors like the users, content, accessibility, approach and the commercial value. Now, the sustainability of the product This totally depends upon the factor that ours is an educational application, and the user for this application will never die out for the simple reason that we need for the educational never dies out. The target audience is as so vast that will need shall always linger. Next is the content. For this application, it is being provided by authentic content providers who have in the field of education from many years, like for the example, teachers, professors from the schools and colleges. The main authentic and updated content, the better is the impact it will make. The accessibility, approach are other factors that will make the application long run, and deeper easily. Its affordability is another aspect. Now, interoperability. Another impending question is why the application only on Android OS. We are developing and customizing the product to suit other operating system like BlackBerry, iOS, cross-platform with HTML to make it reach the general audience. We are working on delivering the education content on an interactive USSD-based services as well. Thus, EduPlay does not restrict itself to only mere smartphone alone. This includes all about the interoperability. Now, thank you so much for your patience.
Can you talk about your customer and how the product is doing right now?
As of now, we launched this product in the July in the West Asia conference, and it is still not live. It is available on our website, that is eduplayapp.com. The beta version is available there. Yes.
That's the free version.
Yes.
So what's your model? How much should it be? Price it at roughly?
This is free of cost.
Yeah.
As of now, it is free of cost for the students. Once it will be launched in the market, then it will be on subscription-based model.
And you're aiming only for CBSE,
No, we are aiming for the other competitive exams also, like MBA, railway entrance, engineering entrance exams.
So what's your source of the information?
We are having tie-ups with the top institutes like Mahesh Tutorials to maintain the authenticity of the content, and we have tie-ups with the professor, teachers, which are from CBSE and the ICSE schools. Plus, we have also tie-up from the professor from the Mumbai University to get the content that should be, authentic, so that we can deliver the good quality to the users.
Can I download it on my phone, or is it
Yes, you can. You can download.
you have iOS already right on the iTunes? I mean, on the App Store?
It's an Android application.
Currently,
Yes, currently it's on Android application.
only Android. Is there a custom version for tablets?
Yeah,
Different versions, or are you doing it only for kind of smartphone version?
no, we are working for the other platforms also. We are planning to launch it is for the cross platforms. It is for the mobile as well as for the tablets also. But as of now, it is for the mobile Android applications.
Any tie-ups with the vendors, specific vendors, or
We are having the discussion with this going on with the Loop Mobiles to launch this EduPlay in Mumbai circles very soon. Okay, thank you very much.